Hello, welcome to My Story with CareCredit, where real CareCredit cardholders share their stories of life-changing healthcare. CareCredit's a leading national healthcare credit card that can enable you to get many of the procedures and treatments you want or need now and pay over time with promotional financing on purchases of $200 or more. CareCredit is accepted at hundreds of thousands of locations nationwide to pay for care for you, your family, and your pets. I'm your host, Amy Freena, and today we meet Alexx, a musician whose glasses were keeping her from rocking out on stage. Her solution? CareCredit and Lasik surgery.
Hi, my name is Alexx, and I've been a CareCredit card holder for over 11 years. So I'm a musician, and specifically, I love to play rock music, and I'm just always rocking out with my Les Paul. And I was informed by my eye doctor that I could no longer wear contacts anymore. I had one of two options. Either I could get LASIK surgery or I would have to wear glasses. I needed to have a solution that would not inhibit me on stage, so I decided to get LASIK. Getting LASIK has been the best gift that I've ever given myself. I'm not inhibited whatsoever on stage. I can thrash around and play my guitar without any worry whatsoever. It's been amazing. I love CareCredit. Thank you so much for giving me the gift of perfect vision and for allowing me to play on stage again completely uninhibited.
Alexx, thank you so much for joining us. How are you today?
I'm doing great. Thanks for having me. How are
Yes,
you?
I'm great. Before I go any further, I got to comment on your Jaws.
Oh, thank you.
Socks. Those are snazzy.
Thank you. I appreciate it.
Do they give you a certain attitude when you put them on during the day? Like, okay, I'm fierce today.
Oh, I mean, I feel like that most days.
Oh, well, good for you. It's like socks or no socks. It's all good.
Yeah.
So where does your CareCredit story begin?
It begins around, I would say 11 years ago.
Okay.
I first needed CareCredit to pay for some dental procedures.
Okay.
And then eventually I would use it for LASIK surgery.
Awesome.
I used it for Invisalign.
Wow.
So it's really helped me out a lot.
So would you say you love your CareCredit credit card?
Absolutely.
So talk to me about the first time you got it and you heard about the card. Were you in, I think you said the dentist, right? Were you in the
Yes.
dentist's office and they said, hey, check out the CareCredit credit card?
Yes, because I was hit with a big bill, as you know,
Yep.
if you've ever had a root canal or any
Yes,
major
ma'am.
dental procedure.
Been there, done that.
It's very pricey. So my dentist told me about CareCredit because I didn't have insurance at the time.
Oh, man.
And he's like, this is an option for you so that you can get the treatment that you need.
Right. And then when did you get the dental work done?
I got the dental work done that same day.
Wow.
Yes.
Talk about efficiency, huh?
Very efficient.
So then you said you also had LASIK.
Yes.
Tell me about that. How were your eyes before? Like, kind of walk me through what your life was like and the difference, because I know some people say it is just incredibly life-changing.
That's what the word I would use to describe it. I couldn't see 2 feet in front of me. I mean, like I put my hand in front of my face and it was blurry.
Really?
So I had really terrible vision. And my eye doctor said to me, because I was having problems with my contacts, he said to me, he's like, you have cysts developing underneath your eyelids. So
Oh, no.
he's like, either you can get LASIK surgery or you're going to have to wear glasses. So being a musician and playing live all the time, I didn't want to have to be tied down, wearing glasses, you know, because they can be inhibiting. So I got the LASIK done.
Okay, let's talk really quick about the music. I want to hear.
Yeah.
So what do you do?
I play guitar and sing. I have a solo project and then I have a band called Bat Farm.
Good for you.
Yeah.
That's so exciting.
Thanks.
So you're on stage and you're like, I don't really want to have to wear the glasses all the time.
Yeah. I just find them to be, I mean, even if I'm out and about wearing them, I find them to be a little inhibiting, at least for me.
So what was it like after the LASIK?
It's been amazing. I mean, it's been, I think, 10 or 11 years post-surgery.
Wow.
And I still have 20/15 vision.
That is incredible.
Yeah.
Do you remember like the first time you performed after having the surgery?
Yeah. I mean, it was just amazing. How good does it feel like when you don't have to wear glasses or contacts?
Right. And it's probably a whole new level of confidence. And you're like, hey, I can see everybody.
Yeah. I mean, and it's even better than when I had my glasses on. I mean, like,
really?
I could see like crystal clear.
Wow.
So
have you told friends and family members about the CareCredit credit card?
Absolutely. Especially for friends that don't have insurance,
Right.
or, they were hit with a big bill or something
Right.
like that for some dental work or an emergency procedure.
Of course.
It's life-saving.
Right. Would you say that the promotional financing is helpful or was helpful for you and obviously for your friends as well?
Absolutely. It's very helpful. It's very doable. And just make sure to pay it off before the promotional financing ends.
Little life tips
Yes.
right there, right? Okay. Well, if you could write a review on your entire experience with the CareCredit credit card, what would you say?
I would say that CareCredit is absolutely life-changing.
Mm-hmm.
It can help you get procedures that you may not have otherwise been able to get
Right.
due to finances, and it just is a fantastic way to do financing.
Awesome. Good to hear. Do you have any plans for it in the future?
Absolutely. I don't have anything as of now.
But you're keeping it.
Yeah, thankfully my health is very good right now, but
Awesome.
I'm sure I will use it again down the line.
Okay. Awesome. Well, thank you so much for your
Thank
time
you.
and for sharing your story. We wish you the best of luck.
Thank you.
Thanks for joining us on My Story with CareCredit. If you're interested in applying for the CareCredit credit card or want to find a provider in your area who accepts CareCredit, visit us at carecredit.com.